In today's video, we are going to discuss factors. This type of question appears frequently on the GMAT and GRE, and knowing the right approach can save you valuable time. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's define the term factor. A factor of a number is any integer that divides that number exactly without leaving a remainder. For example, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10, because 10 can be divided by all of them. But how can we mathematically determine this? To find all factors of 48, the first step is to determine its prime factorization, that is, represent the number in the form of the product of all its prime factors. To do this, we keep dividing 48 by its prime factors until we arrive at 1. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12, then 6, then 3, and finally we arrive at 1. So, the prime factorization of 48 is 2 raised to the power of 4 times 3 raised to the power of 1. Now, how do we determine the total number of factors? Instead of listing them one by one, which is time-consuming, we use a shortcut. We take the exponents of each prime factor, add 1 to each, then multiply the results. For 2 raised to the power of 4, the exponent is 4, so we add 1, giving us 5. For 3 to the power of 1, the exponent is 1, so we add 1, giving us 2. Now multiplying these together, 5 times 2 equals 10. That means 48 has exactly 10 different factors. Looking at the answer choices, the correct answer is 10. If you want to double-check, you can list out all the factors. Count them, and you'll see there are exactly 10. This method works for any number. Just factorize, adjust the exponents, and multiply. Mastering this technique will help you solve factor questions quickly and efficiently on the GMAT. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more math strategies. See you in the next one.